The symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Number 1 is increased thirst and hunger. As with type 1 diabetes, elevated blood sugar levels can lead to excessive thirst and hunger. Number 2 is frequent urination. Excessive glucose in the bloodstream promotes the kidney to excrete urine. Number 3 is unexplained weight loss or gain. Despite increased hunger, some individuals may experience weight loss, while others may gain weight. Number 4, fatigue. The body's inability to use glucose efficiently for energy can result in consistent fatigue. Number 5 is blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can affect the eyes, lenses, causing vision problems. Slow healing of wounds. Diabetes can impair the body's ability to heal, leading to slow wound healing.